Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I'm cash planning for the week. I have $436 that I'm putting into my envelopes and my wallet. I already figured out my wallet. That's getting $170. So my breakdown on that one, I have these categories always in my wallet. Spending is getting 30, eating out is getting 30, groceries 80, coffee 20, and buffer 10. So that's a total of 170 in my wallet. Okay, so let me subtract that. That leaves me with 266 to put into everything else. I'm first gonna start off in my wallet here. Oh, you know what? I'm a little out of order when it comes to making my videos. I'm trying to make some videos before I go out of town, and I haven't changed over my binder system to May. Some of these are going to be different. Oh, you know what? I'm just going to roll with it. Okay, I don't have time to figure it out. All right, so yeah, because I want to get to the bank. I won't have time. Well, I could go to the bank, but I'm going to be busy all week, and I'm coming back on Sunday, so I won't be able to go to the bank. So I'm trying to get the money before I leave for out of town. So I'm going to do here for the snacks. I usually do a roll the dice kind of challenge. So if I switch this over to something different, I'm still going to put the money towards there. Oop. Hold on, sorry. So I'm gonna roll and see what I get. I'm gonna roll 2 times. Yeah, 2 times. Oh, my sticky notes. I'm not prepared. I do have sticky notes, but I have a new pack of sticky notes. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna roll twice. We have 2 and 1. Which is the mini ice cream, that's 3. And then last roll. Oh, 3 and 1, same thing. Okay, I rolled the same thing. Did I get 3 and 1? No, I got 2 and 1. I just landed on the same exact icon. Okay, so $6. Yeah, $6. Cool. So that's 6 for this one. All right, and then I'll come back to this binder towards the end. All right, that leaves me with 260. Let's go into this binder next. I'm going to figure out totals for the high priority envelopes that I have. So let's do extra savings. I'm gonna do 20, and then month ahead I'm gonna do 20, and subscriptions will get 20, and also I'm gonna do treat yourself and Christmas. Okay. Now for everything else, auto this week, I will just do 5 in this envelope. I'm gonna put a lot of 5s. Electronics is getting 5. Emergency, this one I want to do 10. Extra savings, I did that. Furniture will get 5. I did that one. Rainy day, 5. Registration will get 5. Road trip, I have 30. I'm gonna put 10 in road trip. Scentsy. Oh, I'm out of order. Hold on. Hold on. I forgot to write in road trip. Okay, that's what happened. Road trip, it's getting 10. And then Scensy's getting 5. Subscriptions already did. And travel, I want to put 10 in travel. Okay, I have 100 left. Next binder. Okay, not doing Go Wild. Disneyland will get 5. tires will get 10. Did that one. Fun will get 5. Hobbies, 5. We did Christmas. Holiday decor will get 5. Okay, 70 left. Beauty will get 5. Clothing will get 5. Costco will get 5. Family will get 10. Gifts, 5. Home, 5. Household, 5. Target, 5. All right, I'm left with 25. I have a few savings challenges. All right, I have this one, which is a 10. Oh, I have 2 10s. Okay, I'm going to do 100 envelope. I'm going to plan for 5, and then with leftover money, I can bump it up to a higher amount. So 5 in this one. Left with 20. I have this cash stash one, which is technically a 10. Yeah, each little box is a 10. This one's done. I finished this one, so I don't have to do that one. Okay, I'm left with, you know what? Okay, I have 20 left. I'm gonna do 10 in cash stash. And then also this is 10, so that's gonna get 10 as well. And nothing in $1 challenge. But I will have leftover money in my wallet, so it will get something. Just not from the cash plan. All right, I'm gonna double check my numbers, make sure everything's correct, and then I can move on to the next step. It looks good. So now I'm just gonna do the tallies. I'm actually gonna take this out. All right, so tallies for this one, 5, 5, 10, 20, 5, 20, 5, 5, 5, 20, 10, 5, 10, 20. Okay, a couple 5s here, a 20, then I have a few 5s here, 10, and then more 5s, and 10. Here for the snacks is 6, that's 5 and a 1. And then $10 challenge, 0 for that one. So I'm just gonna X that out. And then 10. Okay. Now I'm gonna count the tallies and get the totals. All right, so 150, 20s, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Oh, I'm like doing 210. Hold on, let me fix that. 21. And then 1s, 5, 6. All right, I'm gonna multiply these two numbers. 50 times 1 is 50. 8 times 20 is 160, then 110, 21 times 5 is 105, 21 times 5, yeah, 105 and 6. Okay, 50, 160, oops, 50, 160, 110, 105, and 6. No, I messed up somewhere, wait. 8 times 20, 21 times 5. What's wrong with my calculator? I'm gonna blame my calculator. Hold on, let me count these again. Oh wait, what was I off by? 50, 160, 110, 105. It's always when I'm in a rush. Oh, I'm off by $5. Okay, so, oh, I didn't count this one. I see I left it because I didn't have put a mark. 1, 2, 3, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Oh, that's right. Okay, maybe I messed up on my tally somewhere. Let's see what I did here. That's a 5. That's a 20. Those are 5s. That's a 20. A 10. 5, 10, 20. 5, 5, 20. 5s. 10. 5s. 10. 5 and 1. 10. Oh, right here. My goodness. This is supposed to be 12. And this is supposed to be 20. So then this is 120. And this is 100. Okay, that was it. It's always when I'm in a rush, because I'm rushing. 436, perfect. Okay, so now, this is why I like to double check it, because if I would have gone to the bank with those numbers, they'd have been like, your numbers are wrong. So at least I do this double check, so that way I know it's correct by the time I get there. So 50 times 1 is $50, then 20, I need 8 of those. That's 160. 10s, I need 12. 120. 5s, 20 of those. That's 100. And then 1s, 6. All right, so that is 436 that I will be getting from the bank. And that's going to be it for this video. So I hope you enjoyed watching as I cash plan for the week. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, because I will be cash stuffing with this money that I planned out. So you definitely want to check that out. But that's going to be it. Thank you again. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one.